They're not all bad.
They did give us Kepler, Mozart.
All right, college.
Marlene Dietrich.
See, that's more like. Don't forget about their inventions. You got the printing press, electron microscope.
Frankfurters.
You guys are killing me.
You guys hear that?
It's headed this way. Stukas, inbound. Near the tanks.
Enemy tank! Get off the road! We'll circle around! Move! We have to protect our Shermans. That's flak fire in the distance. We're gonna capture one of their AA guns to bring down those stupids.
MG's in the board.
Shit! Everyone down! We gotta hit those MGs! I need teams on the left and right! Go, go, go!
Target's on the second floor. Push towards our horn. Up top.
Grenade out! Push into the field! We need to rally with our tanks!
Spread out.
Move! Push them back! Get after them!
Come on, they're on the run. Keep pushing.
They're surrendering! Hold your fire! You two, secure those prisoners! Daniel, keep us moving!
On the floor, Fritz.
There's the flak gun. We're getting close.
Those Stukas are killing our tanks.
Armor needs our support! We're gonna take the AA gun behind that tree line!
There's the AA gun. Let's clean up these crowds and help our tanks out.
Get on that flak gun and take out those Stukas! Those bombers are killing our armor! We gotta take them down! Here they come! Enemy action ahead! 2 o'clock!
Grab infantry.
2 o'clock!
Guy on the radio sounds pissed. Crowds don't know what's happening.
Boy, coming in! 1 o'clock!